Auzubillahiminash-shaitanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Welcome class 7 to the OSP session. I'm Mariam Kamal from I'm ICT teacher from Hamza Army Public School and Colleges. Welcome class to this task 4. Today we have to learn task 4. Earlier we are going through the module 2 and we have to continue with the module 2. That name is designing a document. But today we are going to start our new task 4, mail merge. I'm going to give the reference over here from your book E-Skills Learner level 7 and page is from 51 to 57. Girls, today our topic is mail merge. In earlier days, better, there is no computer, and if you want to communicate with anyone else who is far away from you, you have to write a letter for them, and then you have to send those letters, and then you have to wait. And if you have to send the same letter to many people, you have to write it many times. But obviously this is a digital time, and now we can send our messages electronically. But I think, as you know, mail is to send messages from one medium to another. So if you see in this digital time, if we have to send one message to many people at the same time, so we want to write it many times. So have you ever faced a problem that we want to send a personal text to many people? It is a waste of time to individually type in the name of each person that we want to send a message to, obviously, but we are facing. So for this reason, we have designed the mail merge. Now you can see this. There are times when you want to send a personalized text to many people. To do this, you do not have to create, let's say, 10 different documents. If you want to send the same message to different people, there is no need to write 10 times that document. You just use mail merge instead of it. Mail merge is a very powerful and gives you the possibility of printing the same main text for different recipients so that they can easily receive them, and also print personalized envelopes or labels. So this is very simple. You have to see how basically what is a merged document. Now see, in order to solve the problem and save the time, we must use mail merge. So what is a merged document? So basically merged document is that document that is designed and that is basically you have to maintain the text one time, and then you can send that document to many recipients. So how do we use mail merge? Simply we have to go through the steps for that. We have to and why do we use mail merge? Because it is the easiest way to when we want to type many personalized letters rather than each one by one. Tell some instances where we can use a merge document. Obviously we can invite or our friends on birthday parties. At the same time, we have even there is one boss who want to greet everyone on Eid, so he don't want to write it again and again, so he will use mail merge. Now see, starting with the mail merge. Now question is this: how can we start the mail merge? In the list, click step by step. Simply, it's not basically a separate program or application. You just have to go through, you have to open the MS Word, and over there you have to find mailing tab, and then start mailing group you will have to maintain. Simply you have to click the start mail merge. In that list you will find step-by-step mail merge wizard, and then you have to follow that. The mail merge task appears on the right side of your text, and it will guide you through the steps that are required to complete a mail merge. That is very easy, but even then obviously we have to we should know how to use them practically. This we cannot use mail merge verbally, so in order to understand, we have to see it practically also. These are steps which we are going to use in our in the next tutorial. Yes, steps to use a mail merge. There are total 6 steps. You should know about them. First is select document type. Second, select starting document. Step 3, select recipients. Step 4, type your letter. Step 5, preview your letter. Step 6, complete the merge. After this, you can see that now I'm going to take you to my screen so that you are able to see how we can use the mail merge. So yes, firstly you have to open MS Word. Yes, we go through the MS Word. It's very simple. Just start the document over here. Yes, listen. Now, simply to do this, you have to open the MS Word. Now you can have to write the letter. Look at this. You can type the text: first name, last name, anything you write. I'm just going to write for you understanding. Yes, address line. You can say, hi, I would like you to, I would like to invite you at my birthday party. It's very simple. So beta, now you can see this. Kid, you have write the text, you have typed the text. Now it is time to go to the mailing tab. This is mailing tab. You have to start mail merge from here. You have to click the step-by-step mail merge wizard. Now you can see right, if you see the right side, this all guideline has been provided to you, right? Select document type. What type of document are you working on? Letters, email messages, envelopes, labels, or directory, right? Now you can see if letters, this is because we are going to letter over here, so we have clicked the letter. Letters allow you to write a letter to many people. Email messages allow you to write mails. This option is used with the Microsoft Outlook. Envelopes allow you to print envelopes to many people. Labels allow you to print labels. Now see directory. Directory allows you to use mail merge to create a catalog document containing your list. So this is letter, and you can see this is a letter, and we have selected the letter over here. Okay, now see you at the end of this screen you will be able to see this step 1 of 6. Obviously it is a step 1 of 6. Its step name is select document type, and we have selected our document as a letter. It's very simple. Now now you can see, if you have done with it, you have to proceed to the next one, and over here it is mentioned in the next starting document. Yes, this is step 2. Step 2 is select starting document. In this you have to choose your starting document. In other words, the document you are going to use for letter. To choose your starting document, you have to see how do you want to set up your letter. You have 3 options. You have to click the use the current document, because we are using the current document. So if I use the current, it means it allows you to use the document you already have on your screen. And start from template, it means it allows you to start from Word's template. Start from existing document, it allows you to select a document that already exists. So after doing this, step 2 is done. We have to go to next step 3. That name is select recipients. Yes, now see this, it's time to select your recipient list, which is the list of people you want to send letters to. In this example, we are going to create a new list. So you can see this, use an existing mean it allows you to select a list of data that you already have on your computer. And if you want to select from Outlook contacts, it is to select recipient from your Outlook contacts. Type a new list. It means it lets you create a list of recipients from scratch, a new one. Yeah. So in this we have to, if we want to type a new list, we have to select this option. And this you will find a create option over here. You have to create. Now let's see how to create this. When you click the create, this address line, this window is appear. This window will be appear. You can see this new address list. Now you have to maintain actually. New entry mean it allows you to add a new entry. Find is used for searching an entry. Customize settings, you can delete or add fields, columns. Delete entry, it allows you to delete an entry you have added. Okay, now you can see this. To customize fields, simply you go to customize column. Over here, if you have to find, if you want to insert the first name, if you want to add, if you let's suppose there is no title, we want to delete it. Okay, we just go to delete it. Now add, if you want to add any other field name, you can add from here. If you want to delete it, from here. If you want to change the name of field, you have to rename it. So I don't want title over here, so I would delete it from here. Yes, now you can see, now these only fields are left. And if I want to insert now it's time to, we have done with the customized field column, customized column settings. Now it's time to fill the list, right? Now you can see this. If I want first name, yes, okay, look at this. Yes, first name, last name, address line. Rest of them are not here, so we have to maintain over here Alex Johnson, what ABC company it has, right? Any street, any, like, you have to maintain over here. Same in this case. If you want to add more, you have to new entry. The next one, Bela, Mac, okay, X, Y, Z, again new entry. So in this way you have to maintain your list, that these are the recipients. Now I can add the names, Tom, whatever, okay, and new entry, Tim, right? In this way I can maintain my list. Okay, it's a new thing. You have to just go through this. New entry, if you have done, that is very good. You have to just click OK. Yes, you can see this. If you want to see the file name, this would be saved over here like this. You can see this is the list we have maintained. For these are the people I want to choose to send my message. And now it's, oh, you have done with OK, and then we will move forward to the next step, that is write your letter, right? So these all are the basically steps we are going through. So we have to proceed to the next step, that is step 4, and the step 4 name is type your letter. And now it's time to see everything. Basically you have to type your letter. Yes, we have done with the task 3, and it's time to choose task. It's